Good evening, friends. Today I will show you how to pull the data from MT5, MT4, and other also. So there is no need any type of install the account or something like in ATAS. Okay. So here I am showing. Before that, there is a option. Just better you just put it right click and shortcut to desktop. It is much better rather than searching the exe file and all the things. Okay. Okay. Connection, I have to disconnect everything. So right now you want to add any data feed MT5. Okay. If you want to take data from the MT5, just click MT5 and and please confirm MT5 address. Type plat and broker, whatever, if you have a broker or something like that. Okay. So we put it in there. Then your IP address, all the things you can get it in MT4 because then just click install in the MT5 export file. It will be export to your MT5 and open it and do it. MT5 right now for the newer version, MT5 is not working, but in older version of, if you want, then I can give you the older version also. In older version, the MT4 is totally fine. There is no issue in to get the MT4. Okay. So this is the thing. There is not such a big you know big type of such a big what is called the type of technology or something, software knowledge or something like that. It is totally simple. Huh? So that's it. There is nothing such here. If you go for the dome, here is the dome. Okay, here dome and just start the dome. You don't see the profile like that. Okay, lots of things is there, but this is the main criteria. Just I'm saying.